Hey guys, and today we'll be making mug pizza. So, these are the ingredients. The normal ingredients for pizza, but a little less because you're gonna make it in a microwave. So, let's start. So first you need to put your bread pieces into the bowl. And then add some sauce and spread it evenly. Add some vegetables. I used capsicum. And then add some salt. Add some pepper. I like it spicy, so I added more. Then add some cheese. I used mozzarella and cheddar. I really like cheese, so I added a lot. Next, you add some seasonings like oregano and chili flakes if you want it spicy. Then you repeat the process like you did before. And press it down a little so it doesn't like overflow. Do exactly the same as you did before. And put it in the microwave. So take it out of the microwave in 1 to 2 minutes. And your delicious pizza is ready! I love this recipe. It's so good and it's like so cheesy. Just look at it. It will melt in your mouth. So if you like this recipe, please like and subscribe my channel, and next time I'll be coming up with a hairstyle video. Stay tuned!